Welcome to the Halveon T-Stream single-use data logger operating instructions. Press the start button for 5 seconds to turn the device on. The green light will flash 5 times as an indicator that it has been successfully activated. At any time during the recording process, if you'd like a confirmation that the device is on and functioning, just press the start button once. The LED light will flash once to indicate the status of the logger. If you see both the red and the green light flashing at the same time, it means that the device has not been started. When you see the green light, that indicates that the device is on, and the red light means that it's off. Once the T-Stream data logger has started recording, place it into the shipment box, or remove the T-Stream data logger from the arrival shipment package. Press the Start-Stop button for 5 seconds to disable the device. Remove the device from the plastic packaging and connect the data logger directly into the USB port of your computer. The report will automatically download into a PDF and CSV format without the need for additional software. The green light indicates that it is still downloading. When the LED light flashes red, this means that the data logger is now ready to be read and you can safely remove it from your computer. Halveon, we simplify data.